Hello everyone, in this video my students Monika and Yashindhiya are going to present a case study on the topic Internet of Things. Let's listen their ideas. Start.
So hello everyone, myself Monika from SNS College of Engineering. So today I am going to discuss about the case study of introduction to Internet of Things, that is IoT. So first is Internet of Things. What is Internet of Things is it's a connected world. Connecting physical devices to the internet, like sensors is connected to the, like using sensors which detect the temperature or humidity, it is used for it. Then data driven is devices collect and exchange data through Internet of Things. Then automation and controls. So by using remotes we use to control this.
The core components of IoT are sensors, actuators, microcontrollers and cloud platforms. Sensors are nothing but the devices which can sense your environment like temperature, light, motions. Sensors will sense these. Actuators will take these signals from the sensors and they'll take a digital command from this sensors. And then microcontrollers, these act as the brain of the device, which will process the data taken from the sensors and it will control the actuators. Next is cloud platforms. So here you will store the data and you will analyze the data here. Next is how they work. First, the sensors will detect your environment and it will pass the data to the microcontrollers where it acts as a brain and the commands are converted into physical signals. Here it will be as a digital signal and to the actuators it will be converted as a physical signal and you will see the operations done. Like for example, if there is a sensor in the door, it will sense your temperature when you enter, that is sensor, and here the microcontroller will process the information to the actuators and the door opens. So here the actuators operate so that the door opens, and the cloud platform is to analyze your data.
Next, input and output sensors and actuators. So basically, as she said, sensor is an input and the actuators as an output. So sensor takes temperature and humidity, sounds and lights, pressures and motions. These as an input, and actuator is an output where the door opens is an output. So controlling motors, switching LEDs, lights and open and closing views.
Next, here is the ESP32 and an Arduino, the two main components, where the ESP32 will read your information and the Arduino will act accordingly.
So next is signal strength. We have done a mini project about a signal strength detector. So when the signal is around -30 to -70 dBm, it shows excellent, and when the signal is around 71 to 80 dBm, it shows good. And 81 to 90 means it's fair, below 90 means it's weak. So the signal strength will be detected through ESP32 chip, and we have done a project using Arduino IDE. It is a free software used to control sensors and actuators. Next is IoT connectivity. So it can be through wires or not using wires. That is wireless communication or wired communication. Wireless communications can be done by using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and low energy cellulars. And then wired communications is through Ethernet, serial protocols.
Next, we have the layers of operation. So the first layer is perception layer. It is a physical layer where sensors and actuators act. So here the sensors will detect the environment and the actuators will perform the task. And next is network layer. So it is a connection between the network and your device. So here you will get an efficient data transfer. And next is application layer. So where the data which you take should be interacted with. So that will be done here. So the application here, let's take the same sense like the temperature of your body. So the sensor will sense it and it will transfer it to the microcontroller, and then you apply it. The actuator will apply it as a physical action. Next is the process. Sensor, it will sense the physical quality, and then signal conducting. Raw signals will be cleared and amplified here, and ADC is analog signal converter. It is converted to the digital value and processing. The microcontroller will process and the packages are updated. Then the transmission. So here the data is securely transferred to the cloud platforms. Next.
Key challenges in IoT. So in IoT we use security concerns. So the data should not be stolen, and power management. It ensures devices, especially through remotes. So power consumption may be less. Then scalability, it can be used by using hardware tools. So design systems that can be efficiently handled by the users. Thank you.
Thank you, Monika and Yashindhiya. It shows your effort to explain starting from the IoT basics and your project you have done and the components and the key challenges you have faced during your mini project. Thanks for sharing your ideas.